Hi, I'm Caitlin with Forney Industries. Here we have our Forney EasyWeld 140 MP. It's capable of MIG, TIG, and stick welding. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is a single-phase inverter multi-process welder. The input is 120 volts and the max output is 140 amps. This machine comes with a quick start guide, manual, and Forney contact info in case you have questions. It also comes with a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, MIG gun, an extra 030 contact tip, stick electrode holder, ground cable, and clamp. The selector switch allows you to choose MIG, stick, or TIG welding. The left knob is for voltage and amps depending on what mode you're in. This machine is designed to hold 10 pounds of gas or gasless wire. The right knob is for the wire feed speed while in MIG or wire feed mode. If you want to use shielding gas for true MIG welding, you will also need to purchase a regulator and a gas line. We recommend item numbers 85363 and 85663 as they are not included with this machine. If you want to TIG weld, this is a lift arc TIG machine and the TIG torch is sold separately. For stick welding, you can use up to 1/8 inch electrode. That sums up the Forney EasyWeld 140 MP. This is the perfect machine to learn the basics of welding and get experience with different processes. It's ideal for do-it-yourselfers, maintenance and repair, hobbyists, and metal artists. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like denim or cotton, safety glasses, a welding helmet, welding gloves, and FR jacket.
(2020) Weldpro 200 amp inverter multi-process welder with dual voltage. Weldpro's flagship 200 amp MIG welder that goes beyond MIG and flux core welding. The Model 200 is also capable of true lift TIG welding, as well as stick welding and aluminum welding, with the optional spool gun. The MIG 200 is an intuitive synergically designed MIG flux core welding machine. MIG stick or TIG weld all from a single compact, space-saving unit. Welding amperage RANGES 230V. MIG 40 to 200A, MMA 40 to 200A, TIG 15 to 200A 115V. MIG 40 to 120A, MMA 40 to 120A, TIG 15 to 120A, 30% at 200 amp rated duty cycle. MIG welding wire diameter 0.023, 0.030, 0.035, welding thickness 19 Ga 0.197 in, TIG tungsten needle diameter 0.063, 0.094, welding thickness 25 Ga 1/4 in, MMA electrode dia 0.063, 0.157, acid electrode, alkaline electrode, welding thickness 14 Ga 0.315 in. Dual digital display, easy to read and set amperage and wire speed for repeatable welds every time. VRD high temp and overload protection with indication. User adjustable inductance settings. Lotos LTPDC 2000D Non-Touch Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter TIG Welder. Non-touch plasma cutter pilot arc torch efficiently cuts though rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Compact plasma cutter has a handle for portability and uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum. TIG welder quality TIG welding on stainless or steel and precise welding of thinner gauge materials HF. Both HF start hand torch control and support precise foot pedal welding heat CONTROL foot pedal not include. Stick MMA welder easy arc start stable welding arc deep weld pool and beautiful welding shape. Adjustable hot striking arc current, which can greatly improve the arc starting function. Suitable for welding with different kinds of acid or basic electrode. Dual voltage automatic dual voltage dual frequency 110 220 V 50 60 Hz. Dual voltage capability allows the machine to run directly on 220 V 50 60 Hz power or on 110 V 50 60 Hz with the use of a pigtail. CNC plasma cutter, HEROCUT 55i dual voltage 120-240V non-HF blowback pilot arc. Lightweight but powerful, CUT 55i can easily clean cut 16mm, max severance 25mm metal with 65 psi under 220V in a short time if needed. It is excellent choice for home jobs and light-duty small business projects. It is non-HF, non-touch, blowback arc starting plasma cutter, there is no HF interference. Can easy work with CNC cutting table. There is CNC connecting port on back of machine. Dual voltage 110-220V, 120-240V, input voltage, better use 63 amps power breaker, quality cutting thickness is 14mm, with 220V and 65 psi, 10mm, cutting thickness in 110V with 65 psi. Machine can cut max severance 25mm under 220V if needed in a short time. Easy setup within 1 minute. Preset NPT 1/4 air connectors on back of machine. Air filter regulator. Allow user quick connect machine to air compressor. Non-HF arc starting torch with safe center plug save time and safety. Build an air regulator. Air filter can auto release the cooling water. It is automatic dual voltage 110-220V. Dual frequency 50-60 Hz, no need to change voltage by hand from 110V to 220V, 15 to 50 amps current 16mm clean cut under 220-240V, 20 to 35 amps 12mm clean cut under 110-120V, suitable cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum, etc. HITBOX MIG Welder 200 amp Inverter MIG Arc Lift TIG Gas Gasless. Multifunction MIG Welder 200A with MIG Arc Lift TIG Gas Gasless Multifunction 220 VDC Inverter Welder. GAS and gasless available 1 kg 5 kg 0.8 to 1.0 mm solid wire with gas welding iron, 0.8 to 1.0 mm flux cord wire without gas welding carbon steel and stainless steel. Great design, simple design, beautiful, small size, lightweight, easy to carry. Accessories including MB15 MIG gun, earth clamp, electrode holder, gas tube, 1 kg 1.0 0.8 mm flux cord wire and portable plug, ready to use. Plasma cutter, CUT 5050 amp 110V 220V dual voltage AC/DC IGBT cutting machine. High quality cut 5050 AMP plasma cutter is made of high quality components by adopting the most advanced inverter technical of switch power, as well as the product life and work efficiency are increased by 30% than ordinary machines, smooth cutting surface permanent supply of high quality CONSUMABLES coral, portable design compact plasma cutting machine with LCD digital display and equipped with a portable handle. It is very convenient to operate and carry. Long-term supply of consumables. Dual voltage. This plasma cutter can automatically adapt to switch input power of 90V 260V 110V 220V, plug and play in different environments. No external conversion plug required application. This is a professional plasma cutter, which is widely used for cutting stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper and other color metal materials. Cutting thickness is 1 to 20 mm, effective cutting thickness 10 mm. Quality assurance. We are a factory. We have 12 years professional production experience of plasma cutter, 3-year warranty. Please be assured to buy. Please submit registration form on our website. Lotos CT 520D 50 ampere plasma cutter. Plasma cutter 50 amp plasma cutter current output, max ideal cut thickness. A half, max severance thickness. 3/4, compact plasma cutter has a handle for portability and uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum. TIG welder. 15 to 200 amp DC TIG electric current output, quality TIG welding on stainless or steel and precise welding of thinner gauge materials, HF arc start hand torch control, and precise foot pedal welding heat control foot pedal not included. Stick MMA welder 15 to 200 amp DC stick MMA electric current output, easy arc start, stable welding arc, deep weld pool and beautiful welding shaped, adjustable hot striking arc current, which can greatly improve the arc starting function, suitable for we. Setup within 1 min. The pre-installed NPT 1/4 industry type D plug and air filter regulator allows you to quick connect to your air compressor by using the stand coupler existing on your air compressor. The whole machine can be set up quickly within 1 min. The compatible consumable sets for this brown color CT520D plasma cutter are LCS22 or LCS33. Please search Lutz LCS22 or Lutz LCS33, not compatible with Lutz LCON20, LCON40 or LCON90 consumable sets or any other third-part consumable set. Lotos LT3500 35 ampere plasma cutter. The Lotos LT3500 plasma cutter is designed for light cutting projects. This unit is the most compact plasma cutter one can find in the market and weighs only 8 kilograms, 17.6 pounds. In the meantime, this powerful unit is powerful enough to cut 10 mm, 2 5-inch metal with 15 mm, 3 5-inch Severance thickness, making it an ideal choice for cost-conscious hobbyists. The LT3500 is similar to the LT3200, except it has a higher amperage range up to 35 under 110 volts, has a pre-installed air filter and air gauge, ready to be connected your air compressor, with the stand NPT 1/4 industry type D coupler. Can be set up quickly within 2 minutes. 35 amp digital inverter plasma cutter. 110 V automatic dual frequency, 50-60 Hz, can easily connected to your existing 110 V wall outlet. NPT 1/4 industry type D plug per installed. Just plug in the 110 V wall outlet and use the stand NPT 1/4 industry type D coupler on your air compressor to connect the plug pre-installed on the machine. The whole machine can be set up quickly within 1 min. Compact size, ultimate portability and efficient cooling fan system. Suitable for stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper and aluminum, etc. SUNGOLDPOWER MIG 150A Welder Flux Core Wire Automatic Feed Welding. Voltage 110 V 60 Hz single phase, adjustable power settings welding current. 80 to 150 amp current. AC max open voltage. 37 V AC mains plug with fuse. Flux wire welding machine for flux, no gas, welding, with thermal protection. Ideal for welding mild steel, iron and other metal. Gasless welder 0.030 to 0.035 flux cord, 0.8 mm 0.9 mm. Feed speed control, torch with full on-off safety control automatic thermal safety protection for adjustable heating. Stainless steel body, perfect for welding steel, gasless operation, comes with welding wire and mask, ideal for welding outdoors. TOOLIOM 195A 110 220 V stick welder arc welding machine. Dual voltage practical dual voltage input design allows connection to 120 or 230 V receptacles. 0.120 volts 230 V input current to traded 120A 195A up to 195A output can handle E60 11 60 13 60 14 70 18 and E60 10 cellulose electrode. Suitable for welding mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum and other kinds of metal. Equipped with smart digital display and alarm LED read the output welding current. Portable carry with adjustable shoulder strap is convenient to carry between job sites or use. Built-in excellent anti-stick, dig arc force, hot start and other functions easy to operate, safe and convenient for beginner.